That's Kairos. Yeah. That's Kairos. Rosebud. I can't even begin to tell you how I feel when you make that move. Jack me up, turn around, look back at it, grab it now, and you caress so smoothly, so softly, to the touch. I can't get enough of you, tryna fuck you like I ain't ever fucked nobody else before. All I ever wanna do is fucking love you. Kiss on you. That's Kairos, you know what it is. And you know what time it is. It's time to get busy. It's time to do the biz. Cause you got me. Jack me up. And I can't shake this feeling no more. Tell me what you meant when you said no. Cause your look said yes, and you was glowing from head to toe. Once you saw my charming smile, Aurora, you said you were scared to get involved, but you are now intertwined with me. Sip some more wine with me. Tell me all about your inner thoughts. Sip some Hennessy and just smoke some hookah and just go right through ya. I can see all your feelings, how you feel about me. I just like to hear your voice some more, cause you make down there so voice. And when you get it up, it's hard, like damn it, you had a tough job. You working too hard, just chill.